Hey guys, today we're unboxing Roborock's S7 robot vacuum. It's the flagship model on the market right now and it's just touched down on the shores of New Zealand, so we're pretty excited to test it. We've seen a lot of hype overseas about the sonic mopping system and the all rubber brush, so we're keen to put it through our standard tests, but before we do that, we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. So once we've opened up the box, the first thing we see is the Roborock instruction manual. It's pretty heavy, it looks like there's a lot in there, but it really is just the same setup instructions set out in a number of different languages. Roborock then gives us a how to connect to the network guide and a thank you for purchasing this product note, which is quite sweet of them. Now we see some of the accessories for the robot, and this is the attachable mopping plate, which fastens onto the bottom of the robot when you want to use the mopping attachment. Looks like it's got a reusable mopping pad on the bottom there, so you can take that on and off when you want to wash it after the robot's been mopping your house. So this is the power cable which fits into the charging base of the robot. It's just a standard Australasian plug point, so that's perfect for us. Once we get through the protective layer of cardboard, we see the robot itself. We see the robot in all its glory. It's got a really nice white clean finish with a silver detail around the rim. The buttons on the top also have quite a satisfying design. If we turn it over, we can see that red all rubber brush, so that's the new design that we're looking forward to testing. It's also got a rubber side brush. We've got the water tank which pulls out of the bottom, and if we open it up we can see the dustbin inside the robot as well. So they're stored separately, which is interesting to know. Again, we can see on the bottom the wheels and the rest of the details. The final piece left in the box is the charging base. So once we open this up, we see the two charging pins that the robot sits on, and there we go. That's everything in the box.